Glaciers and Glaciation. Hikers next to exit glacier in Alaska's Kenai Fjords National Park, photo by Michael Collier. Focus on concepts. Each statement represents the primary learning objective for the corresponding major heading within the chapter. After you complete the chapter, you should be able to 18.1 Explain the role of glaciers in the hydrologic and rock cycles and describe the different types of glaciers, their characteristics, and their present-day distribution. 18.2 Describe how glaciers move, the rates at which they move, and the significance of the glacial budget. 18.3 Discuss the processes of glacial erosion. Identify and describe major topographic features created by glacial erosion. 18.4 Distinguish between the two basic types of glacial drift. List and describe the major depositional features associated with glacial landscapes. 18.5 Describe and explain several important effects of Ice Age glaciers other than erosional and depositional landforms. 18.6 Briefly discuss the development of glacial theory and summarize current ideas on the causes of ice ages. Climate has a strong influence on the nature and intensity of Earth's external processes. This fact is dramatically illustrated in this chapter because the existence and extent of glaciers is largely controlled by Earth's changing climate. Like the running water and groundwater that were the focus of the preceding two chapters, glaciers represent a significant erosional process. These moving masses of ice are responsible for creating many unique landforms and are part of an important link in the rock cycle in which the products of weathering are transported and deposited as sediment. Today glaciers cover nearly 10% of Earth's land surface. However, in the recent geologic past, ice sheets were 3 times more extensive, covering vast areas with ice thousands of meters thick. Many regions still bear the marks of these glaciers. The landscapes of such diverse places as the Alps, Cape Cod, and Yosemite Valley were fashioned by now vanished masses of glacial ice. Moreover, Long Island, the Great Lakes, and the fjords of Norway and Alaska all owe their existence to glaciers. Glaciers, of course, are not just a phenomenon of the geologic past. As you will see, they are still sculpting the landscape and depositing debris in many regions today.